Hi everyone, here we've got REALME X3 SuperZoom and let me show you how to add a fingerprint to this device. So first of all, we have to open the settings. Then let's scroll down and find fingerprint, face and password. And here simply choose add fingerprint. Now let's read the clue and after that simply click on continue. And here on this level you will have to set an additional password for that device. If you already have one, then that's okay, simply enter it, and if not, you have to come up with a new idea and set a lock screen. You can of course enter a password like here or choose something from other encryption methods, and let me do that. As you can see, here are some options to choose from. I will stay with pattern code. So let me draw it. And here, as you can see, now we can add a fingerprint to our device's memory. So we have to place our finger to the power button. So tap on this power button a few times in order to add all corners of your finger. At least try. Okay, fine. Okay, let's keep continue. And now let's add some more taps to it. Okay, click on continue. And as you can see, we've just added our fingerprint to our device's memory. Here we can choose for what we want to use our fingerprint. We can use it for unlock, app lock or private safe. I will stay with an unlock and let me check if it works. Okay, now let's unlock it with a fingerprint, and that's working. So that's all. This is how you add your fingerprint to REALME X3 SuperZoom, and if you find that this video was helpful, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.